It's going to be Kodivari once again. Struck in the air. There's a man coming underneath. Ample time for him and takes it beautifully. That's a very, very well judged catch. And the fourth wicket falling here for the Bulldozers.
Well, that's a fantastic catch. It went miles in the air. You had to judge it nicely. And he did. It's 129 for 4.
That's it.
129 for 4.
That's it. Good one,
The new man in is Sudeep. He's not on strike though because the batsman crossed over the last dismissal.
Yeah, at the moment it's Karthik on strike. Doing a good job here. Kodivari is mixing it up. He's got his own style of functioning, but has been very effective so far. Sudeep has got a runner in place for him, the captain for Karnataka Bulldozers. "61 runs for him this season in CCL 2013 in 4 matches. But he's here because of this. This was the wicket of Manjunath. His intentions were very evident, going for the big hoik on the onside, not timing it, not getting the elevation that was required. But last 2 overs, Rohan, just clawing back here as far as the Kerala strikers are concerned. The last over was a good one. As you did mention, won't mind those 5-6 runs coming in the death overs, as they call it. The fall of wickets for Karnataka. 129 was the score when the last wicket fell. Had a decent start, putting on 69 for the opening wicket. That's another good over for Kerala strikers. 131 for 4. It's going to be Gopan once again. His last over to the quota. He's been very effective. Already picked up a wicket. And has been the pick of the bowler so far for Kerala strikers. Has been doing the job for his captain. Once again, sharp turn. Didn't have much clue about that one. The batsman, Karthik, still managing a single for himself. Mentioning about Radio City, India's #1 FM channel, 91.1 FM.
You have to say Gopan and Kodiari have been very impressive. Kodiari's gone for just 14 runs off his 3 and he's picked up 2 wickets. Gopan has gone for 21 off 3.3, which is an outstanding return when you consider the start that the Karnataka Bulldozers had. It's mainly due to these 2 bowlers that the Kerala strikers have got themselves back in the game.
Yeah, mentioning about the Facebook poll, well, who will be the man of the match as far as this game is concerned? Rajiv Pillai, Dhruv Sharma, Manjunath, Rakhendu, or some other cricketer? Log on to facebook.com/CCL. Interesting poll going on. Rohan was mentioning about Gopan. He's really done a wonderful job so far. He's gone me 6, picked up a wicket early on. That's struck in the air. And that's struck pretty well. That's maximum to end the over. Boom Chikawawa shot. 141 for 4. So Rajiv getting a half century under his belt, really batted well for those 50 runs of 35 deliveries. At the moment it's Karthik on 21. Sudeep just new to the crease. He's on 9. 141 for the loss of 4 wickets. Karnataka Bulldozers, remember, they won the toss and choosing to bat first. Still 3 overs left from here on. The big question, how many runs they can manage? Can they get anything in the region of 170 plus? That is exactly what they would be targeting. It's going to be Madan Mohan now once again back into the attack. Was expensive early on. Remember, he conceded 14 runs off his very first over. But this is a time he's got to bowl well, deliver for his team.
Sudeep reminds me a bit of Gordon Greenidge. He's wounded and even more dangerous. He's moved to 10 of 7 deliveries. Karthik, he's been aggressive as well. He's moved on to 22 of 17.
Yeah, but as a batsman, one is never easy when you walk in at this stage. You know, a lot of support for both the teams. Madhuri Bhattacharya mentioning about her always smiling, always focusing on her team, wanting eagerly the team performs well. This is good work by Madan Mohan. Smart fielding by him of his own bowling. Never easy. And he's bowling with decent pace as well. Last delivery just around 122. Right in the block hole, squeezing that one away. There's man station in the deep.
Well, that was good running by the Karnataka Bulldozers. Sudeep would have had his heart in his mouth for a split second, wondering whether his runner Pradeep would make it back in time. But all's well that ends well.
Thank you.
Yes, Rohan, in the end he was stumbling, diving, doing everything. And definitely in the end he was safe inside the crease. That struck. Man station in the deep. Does well. It's a single to end the over. 147 for 4.